Hey guys, look, I'm doing this little game, and this is one of those things that if you, I think over time, if you're not reviewing your code and you're just merging, it will just build up and build up. And even with rules and skills and stuff, I seen it ignoring it all the time. Here's a simple fetch for the leaderboard. I have a very early version of a leaderboard right here. So like, I mean, it created this use effect right here, and it decided for some reason to do text dot text, right? And it's checking if rest is okay. Actually, this is not. I've seen this also, even with the backend is giving a 200. I've seen this not actually be true. Um, in my experience, I don't know if it's a bug with a package version or something. But I checked that the response sometimes is 200 and it doesn't work. So like, I mean, and you can. The funny thing is like you can actually uh, let's fix this here. The funny thing is like you can actually keep code prompting. But what you're doing is just burning tokens. You're just burning tokens all the way. So like, I mean, I'm gonna just comment this for like just to keep the messages. But here, look, um, well, I have to see how the response is because this is one of the things. Okay, is- all right. So look, it's splicing the result. Although my backend has a limit 5. And this works. It's still doing the parsing, right? Like this could be. I mean, okay, this should be safe, but let's say that you can do. I mean, you can perhaps do this here instead, like boom, right? And then just do that, and then return the list, right? And then here, I mean, you can. Passing the message directly to the client is not the best secure way. Sometimes the backend will give you a specific error. So let me just do the error here. Um, and we just probably wanna see like it's not even loading the log, so the error. So like in a real production environment, then you're just gonna be blind. Look at all of this. And I can clean this a little bit more, but let's just stay with what they have here. Look at how smaller it is already. And this is kind of a little bit of a hack. I'll leave it here for just the conversation. But yeah, and this is happening throughout the whole code. See how much I was able to um, remove already, and I already removed an import, and I'm sure I can do more stuff here. But let's see if it works. Right. So here's the leaderboard. See? Like it just works. It's a little game. Of course, it's not looking, I'm just prototyping, but you have to guess. It's a multiplayer game and you have to guess the word before the other one guess it. So yeah, that's it.